Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account tied to Xbox Game Pass on your PC browser or the Xbox app. Once signed in, go to Redeem Code immediately. You'll enter the 25-character code shown, dashes optional. Make sure the account region matches where the code is valid and that any required payment method is set for future billing. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation screen. Note the subscription length and the activation date so you know when benefits begin. Once done redeeming, install or update the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store and sign in with the same account. In the app, verify your active subscription under Subscriptions and then go to My Library or Game Pass to view available titles. You claim games by selecting them and hitting Install. Make sure you pick the correct drive and optional components like high-resolution textures. While downloads run, you can set the app to allow background downloads, so your games install without You finish by launching the installed game from the Xbox app. Expect a first-run update or app-required component installation, which is normal. If the game won't launch or your code didn't activate, make sure you're on the same Microsoft account and the code wasn't region-locked or already used. If problems persist, sign out and back in, repair or reset the Xbox app, and clear the Microsoft Store cache with WS Reset. If still stuck, check Windows updates and storage permissions before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.